At Bridgetek, we specialise in innovative bridging solutions, including our embedded video engine graphics controllers. In this video, we'll show you some of the key features of our BT815 and BT816. Here we have our BT815 driving a 7-inch 800 by 480 pixel display with capacitive touch panel. The BT815 is connected to the host MCU over SPI, allowing us to easily add graphics, touch and audio functions. We have an RGB LED strip under the top half of the display and another under the lower half of the display. These are controlled via PWM from the MCU, allowing us to set the colour from the application. We also have a speaker which is driven by the BT815 audio engine. The BT815 supports ASTC image format, which is ideal for high quality background images and icons. We use the BT815's blending function to give the icons rounded corners and to indicate when pressed in, whilst the touch tagging features make them easy to implement. We also use the built-in sound effects to acknowledge touch to enhance the user experience. On the gauges screen, we use the built-in gauge widget along with a custom arc gauge and a custom scrolling chart. We also use a custom 7-segment font. We're using touch input to control the widgets here, but they're ideal for displaying data from sensors attached to the MCU. We can use the touch input along with a color gradient image to produce an intuitive color picker. Color picker A controls the LEDs under the top half of the display. Color picker B controls the LEDs under the lower half of the display. With the BT815's capacitive multi-touch supporting up to 5 simultaneous touches, we can even move both at the same time. The BT815 has over 50 built-in ready-to-use sound effects, which we can play with a simple register write. Here we use the BT815's radial and linear touch tracking to implement a rotary wheel to select the sounds and a volume slider. The BT815 and BT816 can play video direct from the attached flash via a simple command without passing through the host MCU and avoiding the need to use an MCU with large flash size. We can also play animation direct from the flash as shown here. We can also convert and play custom sounds such as this music file. In this example, we use the built-in gradient widget to produce a dynamic background visual effect while it's playing. We can use our own full-screen background images, logos and fonts in ASTC format to customize the user interface, create themes and reflect your company's brand. Unicode support makes it easy to add a wide range of symbols and to support multiple languages. Convert your fonts in a wide range of sizes and formats. Get started quickly with our VM816C credit card modules. Simply connect to your own MCU over SPI or Quad SPI. We also have a version with USB to Quad SPI on board for development using a computer via our free software tools. You can easily convert assets such as images, fonts, videos, animations and sounds with our Eve Asset Builder tool. Of course, you can do much more than we've shown here with the BT815 and BT816, and so why not get in touch to find out more? Enhance your product with a graphical user interface. It's easy with Eve.